This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change from light mode to dark mode on Mac. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Most people switch to dark mode because it's easier on the eyes, especially when working in a dimly lit room, although some people just like the dark design. Today, we'll look at how to make dark mode on your MacBook. So how to do it? As you can see here, I'm using light mode on my MacBook and I will change it to dark mode. How to do it is very simple. You can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can just go to your general and you'll find in here there's an option appearance. There is an option like light, dark, and auto. You can just choose on dark, so your MacBook will be on the dark mode. And if you choose on auto, when it's night, your MacBook will be turned into dark mode, and when it's so you can just choose on dark mode if you want to keep your dark mode for every time. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn your light mode to dark mode on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!